Look at that. That's a big piece of equipment, buddy. Is that pretty crazy?
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.